in order to answer this question, it needs to be divided into two parts. If the Mk7 was only used as a combustion controller, then the upgradation is quite simple and it requires very few wiring changes. The only exception on the wiring is the gas and air sensors. If this burner control is used for liquid fuels, then there will be no wiring changes and it can be simple plug and play from Mk7 to Mk8. However, if you are using the Mk7 with a gas fuels and it has gas and air sensors, then these also needs to be upgraded. So as a combustion controller upgrade, you will need the gas and air sensors if applicable and the changes on the wiring. Second part of the question, if the Mk7 was also used for boiler management. Now, if it's to be used for boiler management, then Mk8 uses a different approach. It does not come with a separate expansion board. The expansion board on the Mk8 is already fitted and only needs activation on a particular function. For example, if you are to use only the water level control from a Mk8, you just need to activate that. There are only few changes on the Mk8 when upgrading from Mk7 to Mk8 with boiler management. These are on the first outs and also on the outputs to TDS, bottom blow down and feed water valve control. Rest of the wiring is exactly the same. To find out which wiring changes are from terminal to terminal, you can refer to Technical Bulletin 202, which explains the details. You can use Autoflame Download Manager software 8.13 or above in order to download the data from a Mk7 MM and simply upload it to a Mk8. However, we do suggest going through the options and parameters and complete combustion check before leaving the site.